Inside, Mahrez lofting a ball over towards the far post, and Mahrez, no, it's not Mahrez, it's Guinea who takes the shot there from long range, and it's gone wide. Well, after all of that, raised eyebrows of the teams that have been qualified. There's a long-range effort there. Long ball at field and a chance for Algeria. It's a strong, fierce strike there from Bounedjah, but it's not on target. He was onside as well. Running onto the ball and then firing in a fantastic effort. Ball at field, and it's a very fine ball as well. There's a good piece of control. That's a beautiful strike, but I'm afraid that he's offside. Look at the fierce in which speed and velocity that he absolutely nailed that shot there. It was quite tight, and this is better from then. And the ball comes out. There's a good opportunity. Oh, he goes down. Apart from Mahrez, a little bit too far on the edge of the penalty box. Tries to go down towards the byline. It hasn't been cleared very well. There's a lofted high ball over the top of the judgment. Oh, I can't believe it. He doesn't nail it. Bounedjah produced a wonderful touch there. He just couldn't drive the ball into Belali. Nice little touch to Mahrez. Mahrez, oh, that's beautiful. Belali! He bangs in the goal. Look at that. The Esperance player has put Algeria ahead. They thoroughly deserve that. They've been probing, pushing, and finally they get their goal. And that's a fine strike as well, Belali. How about that? It all happened in the space of half a second. So quick, so slick, smooth as you like.
Et bien attaqué, ils savent le faire aussi. Les Algériens, Fegouli vers...
Support now. Oh, Mahrez with a beautiful little wander. He finally commits the foul. A little bit frustrated that he found himself behind the defender. But good, quick. Mahrez on the edge of the penalty box. The ball comes out wide. Belali again. This time he just stabs the ball, but it goes out. And Troll just letting him down. Guinea. Oh, neatly done. But that wasn't. Little bit lucky. Traore with a shot, and it's just shaking you out of your comfort zone. And here's the corner coming in. Met comfortably there. And lofted ball into the penalty area. The flag stays down, and there's he's fallen off his feet. The flag finally goes up, though. Nice play. Atura down the left-hand side, tries to get his crossover. Something's not working. It's not looking venomous. It's not looking dangerous enough. It's Yatara who's on the left-hand side now, switching sides, and shot coming in. It's a great effort as well. Thumped it big time, Madi, and the Olympiacos man really got bumped. Another shot, possibly. There's the layup. It's been teed up. There's the shot. Oh, it's a feeble one as well. A very, very feeble one coming in there from Madi, who just showed that he can produce a fine. This is a good piece of play. Oh, Mahrez gets the goal. 2-0. Algeria take the lead, double their lead in fact, and make it 2-0. That was a fine strike. You can't leave him with that much space. You can't. And the Man City man just gets past his last defender, slotting the ball into the corner. It was easy, and that is a major blow for the West Africans. But Algeria, you've got to do a little bit more than this. We know what Guinea are capable of doing as this ball comes across, and he's already had a good game. That's a good ball out wide. This is better from Guinea. Can they get a decent cross? And the ball comes out. FC player, there's Silla, the delivery into the penalty box, but the foul has been committed by... Good play, very good play. Bounedjah, can he get the ball back? Oh, he does! That was great work there by Mahrez, just to get in front of the defender, but his shot smothered there by Kone, who does really well. Picked up by Traore. Can they get the decent cross? And they haven't got a decent crossing just yet. That's gone way over the top. And Bangor is Mahrez. Mahrez delivers a free kick directly. He wanted it to be slotted in, and there's a chance for a shot coming in with Bangor. Really try and keep your chances of qualifying alive. There's a foul there committed, and it's going to be just don't have that much time. There's Bounedjah trying to get the ball. Only done and dusted, and Bounedjah with a strike, but it's gone high and wide. They want him to get that danger, a little bit of organisation. Here's the free kick into the penalty box. There it is, a chance! Well, it's This is Atel getting the ball across the chance. Oh, it's going to be another goal. And there it is, goal number 3. Younes scores his 3rd goal of this competition. 2 against Tanzania. He's only been on, what, 5, 6, 10 minutes maybe. It doesn't matter. It's 3 goals to 0. Algeria celebrating. They know